Good morning class. Today I want to describe about Roman numerals. It means I want to describe the conversion of Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals and the conversion of Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. It is very easy. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Rule: there is no symbol for zero in Roman system. IFCM can be repeated. VLD cannot be repeated and not subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. No numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. It is very important. No numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. A smaller numeral written to the right of larger numeral is always added to larger numeral. A smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from larger numeral. When a smaller numeral placed between two larger numerals, then it is subtracted from larger numeral. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Hindu-Arabic numeral. Roman numeral, Hindu-Arabic numeral. Symbol in Roman numeral: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. It is symbol in Roman numeral: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Symbol in Hindu-Arabic numerals. It means the value of I is 1. 1. Value of B is 5. Value of X is 10. Value of L is 50. Value of C is 100. Value of D is 500. Value of M is 1000. It is value of I, V, X, L, C, D, M in Hindu-Arabic numerals. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Rule: there is no symbol for zero. In Roman system. Rule first. 0 in Roman system. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman system. It is clear? No confusion about it. Next rule, I of Cm can be repeated. I x Cm can be repeated. Repeated. Rule 2. It is rule 2. I of Cm can be repeated. VLD cannot be repeated. VLD cannot be repeated. And not subtracted. Subtracted. Not repeated, not subtracted. It is clear? VLD cannot be repeated and not subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X. Rule 4. Rule 5. I can be subtracted from V and X. It is rule 3rd. 4th. Next rule. Rule 5. X can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. Rule 6. It is clear? There is no symbol for 0. First rule. Second rule, I of Cm can be repeated. Third rule, VLD cannot be repeated, not subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. No numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Last rule. No numeral. No numeral can be repeated. More than 3 times. It is clear? No confusion about it. Next rule. Rule number 7. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. Repetition of Roman numerals. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. For example, I, X 3 times. Clear? Example, I equal to, here I equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Value of I is here 1. I means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Here repetition of I 3 times means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. It is clear. Next, x equal to 10 plus 10 equal to 20. The value of x is here 10. X repeated 2 times means 10 plus 10 equal to 20. X. Repetition of x 3 times means 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. It is clear. Repetition of Roman numeral means addition. Example, I, x. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Next rule. Rule number 8. A smaller numeral written to the right smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral. Numeral, it means is always added to larger numeral. Added to larger numeral. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. VI. Example. VI equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Here the value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. VI. Here smaller numeral written to the right of larger numeral. Smaller numeral written to the right larger numeral. It means always added. Here I is smaller, V is larger, I is on right side. So you add it. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Next rule, X I equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 11. 11. Here I is smaller and X is larger. I is on right side, so you add it according to rule. It become 10 plus 1 equal to 11 because the value of x is 10, value of I is 1. It is clear. Lx equal to 50 plus 10 equal to 60. Here x is smaller, L is larger. The value of x is 10, value of L is 50. X is right side, so you add it. 50 plus 10 equal to 60. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Next rule number 9. A smaller numeral written to the left, written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted, is always subtracted from larger numeral, from larger numeral on right side. Right side, you can take example IV. Example IV equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Here B is larger, I is smaller. Value of B is 5, value of I is 1. Smaller on left side, it means I is on left side of larger numeral B. It means you subtract it. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Next XL, XL equal to 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Here L is larger, X is smaller. X is on left side, so according to rule you subtract it. 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Rule: smaller numeral written to the left, smaller numeral written to the left, larger numeral is always subtracted. A larger numeral is always subtracted from larger numeral. It means if a smaller numeral written to the left of larger numeral is always subtracted from larger numeral. Clear? Smaller numeral written to the left of larger numeral is always subtracted from larger numeral. Subtracted. IV 5 minus 1 equal to 4. XL 50 minus 10 equal to 40. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next rule. Here. Rule 10. Rule 10. When a smaller numeral placed between, when a smaller numeral placed between two larger numeral. Then here according to rule, when a smaller numeral placed between two larger numeral, then it is subtracted from larger numeral. Then it is subtracted from larger numeral. Example, it is clear, no confusion about it. xiv equal to, here v and x are larger, I is smaller, I is between x and v, so you subtract here according to smaller numeral. When smaller numeral placed between two larger numeral, then it is subtracted from larger numeral. Clear? It is subtracted from larger numeral. Clear? You can write here 10 plus 5 minus 1. It becomes 10 plus 4 equal to 40. Clear? xiv. V is smaller and between two larger numerals, x and v. Then I subtract from larger numeral on right side. Here, subtract from larger numeral on right side. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next. Note. D bar, it is very important, means 500 multiply 1000. Bar means the multiplication of 1000. The value of D is 500. D bar means 500 multiply 1000. It becomes here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. It means it becomes 5 lakh. Clear? Next, M bar. The value of M is 1000. Bar means multiply by 1000. Clear? Here you can write 1000 multiply 1000. It becomes 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It becomes 10 lakh. Clear? No confusion. Next, solution. Thirty means 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to x. Here repetition of x 3 times. You cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times according to rule. Clear? Here x means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Clear? 40 Here 40, you cannot repeat x 4 times. You cannot write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 4 times. Clear? It is very important. Firstly, you write 50 minus 10. You write 50 minus 10 equal to L x. Here, according to rule, XL smaller numeral on left side of larger numeral. So you subtract it. Clear? L, the value of L is 50, value of x is 10. X is on left side of L. L is larger, x is smaller. So you subtract it. Clear? 60 means 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 equal to L x. Here L is larger, x is smaller. Smaller numeral on right side of larger numeral. So you add it according to rule. Clear? Value of L is 50, value of x is 10. 50 plus 10 equal to 60. Clear? 70. 70 means 50 plus 10 plus 10 equal to L x x. Here L is larger, x is smaller, and x repeated 2 times. Smaller numeral on right side of larger numeral. So you add it according to rule. It becomes 50 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 70. Clear? 49. You cannot write it 50 minus 1. You cannot write 50 minus 1 because I not subtracted from L. Clear? According to rule, VLD cannot be subtracted. I can be subtracted only from V and X. And X is subtracted from L and C. You can write it here 50 minus 10. It becomes 40. Remaining 9. You can write 9. 10 minus 1. Clear? You can write here 50 minus 10 means XL. Here L is larger, x is smaller. Smaller numeral left on larger numeral. So you subtract it according to rule. 50 minus 10 x. Clear? It becomes 40. Clear? Next 10 minus 1. It means you can write it IX. IX. X is larger, I is smaller. Smaller numeral on left side of larger numeral. So you subtract it. Clear? It becomes XLIX. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Roman numeral is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.